As we're seeing a fall resurgence in COVID-19 cases nationwide, medical professionals at West Virginia University heard directly from the nation's leading expert on infectious disease today. Nicole is in Morgantown with Dr. Anthony Fauci's message.
Most events these days are now virtual. It's no different here at West Virginia University's Clinical and Translational Institute, as a group of nearly 400 highlighted the latest on COVID-19 research. As the rain fell on this college campus, medical leaders from across the state of West Virginia hopped online to hear the latest on COVID-19.
He has served 6 presidents. He is, I would say, without a doubt, the world's leader in infectious disease.
As the keynote speaker, Dr. Anthony Fauci hit the high points on where the country stands with COVID.
America has been the worst hit country in the world, with 8.1 million cases and over 218,000 deaths.
Dr. Fauci says over the last 6 months, researchers have determined over 40% of people who contract the virus are asymptomatic. His advice, still the same, to mask up and social distance.
I feel cautiously optimistic that we will have a safe and effective vaccine, even though you can never make absolute predictions when it comes to vaccinology.
But until that happens, there is concern over rising cases.
In the last week, we've seen the highest weekly average of positive cases, and we've seen the 2 highest daily number of positive cases at any time since the beginning of this pandemic.
Dr. Clay Marsh says the community needs to step up to help stop the spread and protect the people not just next door, but across the state of West Virginia.
You have over 90% of people wearing face masks effectively, correctly, and physically distancing, then the impact on our reproductive value, the rate of spread of the virus is as good, if not better, than a vaccine. And it is immediately at our disposal.
In closing, Dr. Fauci says to anyone who wants to help to research and consider joining any of the vaccine trials currently happening across the country. On West Virginia University's campus, Nicole, KDKA News.